Hello po, this is Pam from PPE Iloilo. I will demonstrate to you unboxing the HUI non-contact infrared thermometer. So ito po yung pinaka-affordable sa market na infrared thermometer na magagamit ng mga businesses or offices. Okay, so ito po, we are unboxing HUI non-contact infrared thermometer. We call it infrared thermometer. Okay. Yung sa loob po ng box, makikita ninyo, you have here, ito po yung thermal scanner. Okay. Ito po. And then, we have here a user manual. Makikita niyo dito. It's in English. Makikita niyo yung product feature, product structure. Yan. So, it's in English po. And makikita niyo rin dito, yan, quality control, nakapass. So, yun. And we have here a certificate. Alright? So, here, ito, i-unbox natin. Gano'n ba siya kabigat? I have other thermal scanners, no? Like Ross brand. Sold out na nga po. And it's 50 grams. Pero itong buwi naman, ito pang masa talaga. It's 100 grams. So, mas mabigat lang siya. Double the weight ng Ross brand. Pero okay naman so far. So, 100 grams, hindi masyado namang mabigat. It's handy. Yung difference na talaga sa Ross brand, ayun, 50 grams lang. Napakaliit, no? You can see here, makikita niyo dito, no? Sa product structure niya, makikita mo yung infrared sensor dito. Yan, nandito. Infrared sensor niya, no? And then, makikita mo, nandito yung lagyan ng battery. Okay? And then, ito po, makikita niyo dito yung LCD display. Yan. Okay? Yun, ito. And then, here you can see also yung parts ng scanner. May power off button. Pero bagong lahat, yung batteries po na 2 AAA, it's actually, they're not included in the scanner. Ito po yung battery cover niya sa baba, as you can see. And then, we will place here 2 AAA batteries. So, here lalagyan po natin ang batteries. Alright? Okay. And then, here. Okay. Yun lang po. Very, very, very easy lang. And then, yun na. Close na. Okay. So, ano lang siya, the difference na talaga sa Ross brand, mas, magaan lang talaga yung Ross brand. And yung look niya, parang pang corporate look. Ito naman, okay naman pang masa, pang businesses. So, here, as you can see, ito, may mga button siya, no? Yan, here, makikita mo. So, yung LCD display niya. And then, ito, you can find it here, measurement button. So, if you press it, for example, yan. So, you hold it, yan yung temperature. And, kung gusto mo naman na may backlight siya, pwede, kung madilim. And then, kung gusto mo naman na preferred mo, kung hindi degree Celsius o Fahrenheit, pwede naman dito. You long press, pwede na ma-change into, for 8 seconds, Fahrenheit siya. Another press, for another 8 seconds, pwede naman mag-change naman siya into degree Celsius. Tapos yung buttons dito, here, down and the up button, pwede siyang yung historical data, kumbaga yung matatrack mo yung previous na records mo. And as you can see, nag-auto off siya. Okay? Nag-auto off. You don't have to turn it off, nag-auto off siya. So, ano talaga, it can save, battery as well. Very easy to use, di ba? So, tutok mo lang, for example, on the forehead, ito, no, tutok mo lang, mga approximately 2 inches away from the center of the forehead of the person. And then, yung 38 degrees Celsius, yun, magbibip yun. Kung mataas, if it has a fever for the temperature. So, that's it, no? HUI, infrared thermometer. So far, ito yung nakita kong pinakamura sa market. Pero meron naman talagang iba na prefer ng mas magaan. Ito, 100 grams. Magaan din naman. So, it depends on your preference. And easy to use. Napaka-easy to use. So, kompleto po. It has a user manual in English. May certificate. Ito po yung scanner natin or your thermal gun. Non-contact po, infrared thermometer. Ito po yung box. And batteries are not included inside. So, HUI infrared thermometer. So, Well, this is it for today by PPE Iloilo. Don't forget to like the Facebook page of PPE Iloilo and please subscribe the YouTube channel Tips by Pam. Thank you po for watching for this video demonstration of the buoy. This is actually for my clients in PPE Iloilo and I'm shipping nationwide para at least can help the businesses to reopen. Thank you so much for watching.